Hello, students. I'm Kavita Wag, and today we are going to study this chapter, The Sweet Sound of Success. This story is written by Nandini Nair. She is India's most prolific Hyderabad based children's writer. In her career spanning less than 20 years, she has published 53 books for children. And these are some of her famous books: What Shall I Make? Where is Amma? Minnie's Questions, What Did You See? And many more. Now, in this particular story, the writer portrayed a very important role of a teacher in shaping hidden talent and interest areas in students. That is why it is very important that every child should get guidance from a good teacher. What is this story all about? Let's see. This is how the story begins. There is a scene of a classroom of class 6 where a boy Ali who had told a lovely story to the whole class, and their teacher Mrs. Rajan appreciated him and asked the students to clap for him, and the whole class echoed with a big round of applause. Ali was standing beside the teacher and smiling proudly. While walking back to his seat, every student wanted to shake hands with him. But there was a boy Rishi who was all aloof from this activity. He was busy with his doodling in his notebook. He was engrossed with his drawing without paying much attention to what was happening around him. After finishing his drawing, he moved to the next one. That time he realized that his teacher, Mrs. Rajan, was discussing the school day and asking the students for suggestions to make it more special. Hearing to that, Rishi thought that Ali would definitely do some story writing or storytelling. And again, Rishi made himself busy in his new picture where he featured himself dressed in a superhero's costume, rescuing a room filled with screaming children. And suddenly he realized that Mrs. Rajan was standing near him and watching him. She asked for his notebook. After a silence, she gave back this his notebook and asked him to meet him after the class. And again, she continued her discussion about the school day. But Rishi knew this was only the beginning, and with heavy heart he waited in the classroom while everyone raced out of the class. And the whole time he was thinking that how Mrs. Rajan would scold him for drawing in class and how bad he did in his exams. She would even threaten him to call his parents, and she would say how good and sincere student his sister Ria was, as if Rishi didn't know any of these things. He was feeling gloomy. He entered slowly and stood in front of the teacher. And what happened next? It was completely opposite to his expectations. His teacher, Mrs. His teacher, Mrs. Rajan, asked politely that why was he drawing in class. She said that he might love drawing. Then she stared sternly at him and asked him to promise that he would never draw in class and to help to draw the scenery for the play for the school day function. He nodded dumbly, saying, "Yes, ma'am." Rishi didn't break his promise to Mrs. Rajan. And this way, class 6 began with their preparation for the big day. Ali and Om, the best writers in the class, were writing a play based on the theme of a superhero rescuing the children, drawn by Rishi. And Rishi was ready to design the set for the play. Rishi's classmate Neelu and Nafisa also helped him to complete the painting. He taught them how to paint the faces of the children crowding the door of the classroom. In that painting, he painted Mrs. Rajan with wide smile and the short hair. It made it easy to identify their teacher. And after finishing the work, Mrs. Rajan, their class teacher, came to the inspection. The teacher was watching very carefully. Rishi was worried and tense that what if his teacher didn't like what he had done? What if she thought it was silly? Rishi's stomach was feeling sick while waiting for teacher to finish her inspection. Mrs. Rajan turned to him and appreciated him for his efforts, that how wonderful and realistic his painting was. She was really proud of him. She began to clap, and so was everyone. Looking at the smile in the room, Rishi knew that his talent was truly being appreciated. This was how the audience would clap on the school day function, how his parents would smile and feel proud and happy about him. But for now, Rishi was happy to listen to the sweet sound of success. And this way, this story finished. So, students, have you seen how the great teacher helped Rishi to find his talent and encourage him to and made him a boy with full of confidence? I hope you all have enjoyed this story. Thank you.